2005 Nissan Titan starter replacement. So again, we are facing another stupid design. The starter is located underneath of the intake. As you see, we got it out right here. So, and in order to remove that starter, you're gonna deal with the intake manifold and take it off. That's a big, giant intake manifold. So you need to take it out in order to reach the starter. I don't know what to say with that kind of engineering. However, you gotta do what you gotta do. So just make sure you disconnect all the injectors. The fuel rail, it comes out with the injectors. Always good idea to replace that intake manifold gaskets, all 8 of them, and to make sure you're not gonna have any vacuum leak in the future. Clean all the way that carbons here, build up carbons here, on like 8 cylinders, all of them. Make sure you blow the air to take off all those debris and leaves out of the way. Before you do that, just cover every single hole for every single cylinder, and that hole for the goes to the flywheel and the torque converter. And when you do that, again, it's always a good idea to take that throttle body out. It's going to give you more room to maneuver and work around it. Make sure on these hoses, if there is a crack, be very careful. If you break it, you're going to replace it. This is pretty old car, and with that kind of mile, over 200,000, all the hoses are dried up. And again, we come back here. So before you do that, again, make sure to disconnect the battery, the negative one. When you disconnect the battery, then you can move forward. Take off all the hoses. Again, be careful regarding the hoses, and take off the hoses and connectors. The starter comes with like that kind of long wire connector, goes to that, and the main wire, the hot power goes here. And then, like I said, don't forget to replace the gaskets. Replace the gaskets and put back everything together. Before you want to install that, make sure you put some kind of lubricant all around the new gasket to just stick on the groove, and make sure it's not gonna fall down when you put back everything together. That was a very summary of this job. It's about 2 hours job according to all data, and it might take you a little bit more or less if you have done it before. Thank you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and reach out to me anytime that you have any questions. See you next time.